thoughts deal with constantly feeling drained. When they completely drain you, they come to you because they're crying, broken up boyfriend, that something happened at work, they lost their job, whatever it is, they come to you for help. Hey, and you want to help them, go right ahead. But remember, when you help, they're going to take part of your energy away. And it's all right, because you have loved ones, you have family, friends, But then you got some who don't got your best interests in heart, and then take everything you got. And your healing energy. And then you feel, like you can't cope. But you don't want to feel like that. You want to feel uplifted and move on. And I'm going to do that. See, we masters are supposed to help those who feel weak and feel they shouldn't come to you, because they come to you, they take your energy away. And we have to restore your energy, which is not bad. We have sessions here that can help you with that. This is a new one to help constantly feeling drained. They call it emotional vampire. Same thing. Because emotional vampire does the same thing. They take away your emotional energy. Because you let them into your life, and they cry on your shoulder. You become a wet blanket, or a crying shoulder. And there's no harm in doing that stuff. Just remember the consequences when you do that, because you feel weak. You don't want to feel weak. Okay, let's heal. Enough with talking. You want to remove all negative thoughts, negative presence, and ground you. You're getting grounded, aligned, balanced, mentally, physically, emotionally. This is what's happening with the sage. The sage is grounding you, removing the negative energy from you, and restoring the positive. The rest is to help guide you beyond that point. And you want to feel good, healed, emotionally, spiritually, physically, mentally. You want to feel good. And these are the areas that need to be healed. When you feel drained, that's what's happened. And the chakras are out of balance. And the aura is out of balance. And that's why everybody constantly needs the aura and the chakras to be cleansed, clear, and rebalance, so you can move on your day, every day. And the negative energy, too, to come out as well. Okay. I started the sessions in the prior one, and I lit the candle of life, the candle of hope, the candle of forgiveness, the candle of whatever you need, the candle of healing. I send you a light of healing. This is the candle, and this is what it is. Himalaya salt crystal helps purify and helps heal you, helps you feel better. Now, what happened to you? They came, they drained, you left confused. Let's restore that healing to you right now. We take out that negative cords, pull out those cords out of you. Pull out the cords, slowly pull out these cords out of you. Someone else's life is inside of you. You gotta take out that life that's inside you and restore your life, your happiness, your goals, your prosperity back inside of you. Take out those negative cords and bring in the positive back. Restore your positive energy back to you. I want you to feel alive again. I want you to feel that healing again. We have energy healing spray to help you. Guide you. So you can feel good with yourself. Spray it on your chest and your tummy. Because you have on your chest, you got the heart chakra, solar plexus, sacral, and the root there. Okay? And the crown, you got your third eye, and you got your throat chakra. Okay? These are very important. These areas have to be healed. And when you heal them, you feel better. Whether you're on a bench and the crystals are on you to heal, that's the best way, by the way. But if you can't, hey, you do it long distance like we're doing now to help heal you. Rattler helps. Now, how do you feel? You feel at ease, right? You feel that dormant stage where you are in between. I'm clearing you out. That's what I'm doing. You're getting cleared. You're feeling good. You're feeling that energy restoring back into. It takes time. It gets there. So we're spending some extra time in these sessions now. Starting November 1st. Sessions will be much longer again. Okay? Just to help you. All right? And to help you feel better. Okay? So we're gradually getting to that stage. So this session and the prior one, it's much longer, no more shorties, to help you feel energetic. To help you feel good. To help you feel everything. How do you feel? You want to feel at ease. I want you to feel good each day. I want you to feel at heavenly. Your mind, your crown chakra, clear your crown chakra. Take out that help that you help and restore your own energy back. You feel alive again. You feel you again. Listen, there's no wrong or way of saying it. You help someone, you did your job. Now we restored what used to happen. Okay? It's good to help others. By the way. Interesting. So it's good that you help others, and it's good to do what you have to do. Do the right thing. Help others. Help them restore. And you need to restore your energy. I'm here to help you restore it. Okay? There's no bad. There's nothing else. Everything's all right. Don't worry about it. We're here to help you. Here to help you. Remember, you have the energy inside of you. You have the will, the might, and energy inside of you. You have the goodness inside of you. Peace and love and happiness inside of you. Strong bonding energy. Strong healing energy. Think of the healing energy to help you. In these sessions, I'm using the clear quartz to help you. Strong energy. And the psychic energy is also here with you. Every session starting November 1st, all psychic energy and Reiki energy together to help you, because you need that extra energy. You need the extra power. That's special occasions all the time. You feel the power of Reiki, and you feel the power of the second energy that I have inside of me that helps spread out and help you feel good about yourself. To help you feel healed. To help you feel good. That there's good energy. You feel that energy inside. You feel it. You feel it. You need it. And you want it. Feel the power of Reiki and feel the strength in the Reiki. Feel the goodness inside. Take a deep breath. I want to feel good again. I want to feel my energy restore again. Say that all the time. Repeat it several times until you feel the energy back inside of you. I send that energy back into you right now. I send the goodness of love and the energy back inside of you. You feel that energy inside of you. You feel the energy strong inside of you. You feel the goodness and the strength inside of you again. You have this. You have the power of Reiki inside of you. You have the goodness inside of you. You have the strength of Reiki inside of you. You got this. You're not alone. You got this healing energy inside. I restore all that has been taken away from you, and I put it back into you. Yes. All that has been taken out of you has been put back into you. And you feel that energy being put back into you. All this energy is restored. You have all the energy back. You feel good inside. You feel healed inside. The energy has been restored. And you feel it. The tingling action in your legs is the first sign of it. You feel that energy flowing back inside of you. Accept it. Let it come inside. Let it heal. Let it restore you. Energy healing spray to help you. To make you feel good inside. To make you feel alive again. Make it feel you again. You got the energy inside you. You got the strength of Reiki inside of you. You got the healing inside of you. You got this. Just remember, you got this healing energy. It's there for you. It's to help you. It's to guide you. It's to bring you back, to strengthen you, to give you the energy you need to feel good again every day. You help someone, you did a good thing. And that's great. That's brilliant. You did good. Now, I'm here to restore your energy back so you can feel good. That's all it is. To help heal you. To make you feel good inside. From the crown, third eye, throat, heart, solar plexus, sacral, and the root. Feel the energy. Stand up. Take a deep breath. Push that energy from the crown right down to your legs and hold it there. And send the energy back up and up through your crown. You're grounded. We ground you in the beginning of the session to help you feel good. Help you feel alive again. Help you feel you again. Don't you feel great? Now, you can move on and do things. You got it inside of you. You got the energy. You got the will. You got the might. You got this. Remember it. I send you psychic energy to bond this, to protect you, to keep a shield around you. You have psychic energy shielding you from having this, so this doesn't happen again. Remember, your energy is precious. It's for you. You can share some of it. Not too much. Not to make you too weak and you're dazed and confused. Be careful how much you give out. But we're here to restore your energy, to make you feel good, to make you feel great, to restore the energy so you don't feel constantly feeling drained. And sometimes people around that just take your energy without your permission. And that's the negative part of all of this. So I restore you and protect you from having that feeling of constantly feeling drained. So you have that energy restored inside of you right now. You feel that goodness inside of it. You feel of it. You feel that energy restoring you right now. You got this. You got the energy back inside of you. Okay, now this session is over. Okay? I just want you to feel the goodness inside. And remember, if you haven't done so, hit the subscribe button. Okay? Show that you want to help and support this channel so I can bring out more content to you. All right? Those of you who haven't done so. I know if you're new, hey, welcome to the channel. We have live streams on Friday. Unless something happens, there won't be no live stream. But we have live stream on Friday. Now, if you prefer these sessions, let me know. Okay? And what you basically do. We have shorts as well, for those who don't know of the channel. But we have all the full videos that help you so you can feel the energy every day. Okay? Thank you all. And thank you for all of you to get us up to 10,000 plus now. We're growing, constantly growing. There's more to do in the channel and more to help you all. More sessions coming. You have this one. And since today is the end of the month, we have a special session coming up after this one here. All right? Okay. Now, I send you the light of healing and have a peaceful day. Bye for now. Shante means peace.